Hello guys, Monday morning, 6 o'clock, before 6 o'clock. This is your first time riding a tricycle, right? Yeah, this is your first time. Okay. Lots of humps. The humps, the humps. Lowered. Hold this. It's running. Take a video. Magkano po manong? 30 lang. Salamat. Okay. 30 lang daw. 30. Okay, 30. Next, MRT tayo. We're gonna ride the metro train. Oh, how was it? That's your first tricycle ride. Ano? Still sleepy. Bagong gising. Oops, sorry. Hi guys, that is AJ's first tricycle ride. Early morning, Monday. Okay, waiting for the next train because the first one was packed. It's not worth it. We're not rushing. Okay, walking along EDSA Kamuning during the morning rush. The morning rush. Okay guys, we're walking along EDSA Kamuning at that walkway for pedestrians. Look how high it is. Okay, we're here. Lucena. Lucena. Yan ba unang alis? Okay. Ayos. Hi guys, finally we're able to get in the first bus out at 7, I think 7. AJ is here. Hi guys, this is our ticket. 249 pesos, so less than $5 to get to the province of Quezon. Hi guys, time check, it's 8:20 a.m. We were able to get out of the EDSA traffic, so we're outside Manila. Santo Tomas, Batangas. Basura. Alaminos.
Happy first anniversary, RPTV.
San Pablo Diversion. Restroom break. 5 pesos. Terminal. Sa bus. That's our bus. Approaching SM San Pablo on the left. There.
Yeah, Nemhard getting in the paint. Look, that paint touch, what does it do? It makes it a longer closeout.
Time check, it's 10:10 a.m. We just entered Yaong, Quezon. Welcome to Quezon Province. Candelaria.
Return to Indianapolis. Let's go to George Sedano.
Riyaya. Double parking, okay, footbridge.
Petron sa Riyaya.
Bagong luto lang, mainit po. Oh, 20 lang.
Riyaya po, Petron. Maliki. Wala nang bababa.
Bababa kayo? Mayroon, bata. Jollibee. First jeepney ride. AJ's first jeepney ride. Okay guys, after all these years, I am back. Abida Homes. Ha? Dati may buko dito eh. Asan yung buko? We haven't eaten lunch yet. Yeah, so inside is our first house, first home. It's you need to pass the guards. Okay. From Ala. I found the landmark. The coconut. It's over there. Okay guys, so dito lang kami kakain. LC Big Mac. Meron silang cheeseburger. 52 pesos, wala pang $1. Dalawang burger na. Ito kasi ito yun dito karinderya. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede. Ano? Ito na lang. LC Big Mac, LC Lucena City. Tsaka isa pong Royal, tsaka isang Sprite. 20 na daw banana Q. Ito pa okay.
Kanino po kayo sa Barbara?
Sa akin mismo, bahay ko yun eh.
Ano yung street po?
Yung malapit sa Alimutan ko na yung street eh. Matagal na kasi ako napunta rito eh.
Pero tandaan niyo po yung daan.
Oo, alam po. Malapit sa clubhouse. Sa duplex. Saan ba? Hindi. Wala, Santa Barbara ako. Pangalawa pala. Saan pa, Isabel? Bossing, bisitahin ko lang yung bahay ko. Antique Jason. Malapit nila rin. Diretso lang. Pinagbago dito ah. Kakanan tayo eh. Dito? Oo. Philippine Loop. Yan, kaliwa. Pamilyar sa akin yan. Ayun, nakita ko na yung bahay ko. Yan, laki na ng ito. Medyo, yan. Yung kadup, diretso pa, diretso. Diretso, yung kaduplex ng puti. Ito, yellow. Yan, dito bahay ko. Yun. Ay, nako. Sige. Oh, ito na yung bahay. Oh. Yung mga talahid na naman. Tapos yung neighbor dito naggagawa-gawa. Tapos kanina may nagpark pa ng motor dito. Ayun siya. Okay, go, come on. AJ slept with me. Nakapasok na kami. Ginamitan ko ng pinagbabawal na technique. Credit card para makapasok. Ano yung pinagbago dito? Dati,
Andyan na yung ano, Saint, ano tag dito?
yeah, may school.
Ayan.
Hindi, taste test ko muna yung ano mo, gulaman dito. Sa Pinkies. Natin. Sabi mo, angat to sa ibang gulaman ha.
Ito, ano, straw ba dyan?
Oo, ano? Tama. Ano mo na yung lasa no?
Hindi siya yung
Gulaman siya, pink. Hindi siya yung usual na brown na gulaman.
When you go to
Quesadilla.
Japan, you should know.
I like the cheese.
Yeah, do it like this.
LUDs. Okay guys, we're in Pacific Mall here in Lucena City. Okay. Good day. $3 for 1,000. Okay. Okay guys, so we got the money. We exchanged the money. Their rate downstairs is 53 pesos per dollar. I said that's too low, so they referred me here, second floor. The rate is 55.20. I don't know, 55.20. While in Manila, it's 55.40. So well, I didn't have time because when I went to the mall yesterday in Manila, they already closed. The money changer is closed. They close early. So I said, I'm just gonna exchange here in the province. But it's okay. At least we have money to spend. Pacific Mall in Lucena.